The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for extreme east central Harris County, southeastern Liberty County, extreme northwestern Chambers County until 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:07 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Barrett and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mont Belvieu.
That is a fail.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 11:15 a.m. Central Standard